In this very quick video guide, I want to show you this online tool which is called DXF Converter. Now this is actually a web app that you can use in any device like a tablet or a smartphone or your desktop to convert. You can see here this was an AutoCAD file from AutoCAD converted into a PDF. You can convert in SVG format or PDF if you want vector graphics. You can see here these are the files that you can generate using this web app. Or you can also change vector graphics and create JPEG, PNG, so not vectors but raster images with pixels. So you have these two options. So first of all, just look for DXF Converter and also type org, otherwise it will be difficult to appear here in the web results. And this one is the first one, but you can also find others. But this one, it's pretty quick, easy. You don't have to register or anything. You just go there, click, and use it. So I definitely like it when I don't have to subscribe or download anything, and everything is on the web. Now you can also donate here, and you have other information about this little web app. And it's basically pretty simple. You can upload a file from here. So I'm gonna click on this little button, and this is gonna be a drawing from my AutoCAD video course. And if you want, you can find it in the channel, or you can write for assistance in AutoCAD and anything that you might need, or write your questions, suggestions. But again, we have a full video course in AutoCAD if you're interested. So this one here was a DXF exported from AutoCAD. Now remember that this is a DXF converter, so you need to export from AutoCAD in DXF format, which is the more extensive, the more compatible. So if you right click here, go to properties, it's going to tell me that this is a DXF, not DWG, but DXF. And this will work fine. And this one is the one that you are seeing right here. So, well, I'm going to just open it up just to show you. So it's gonna show you also here that this is a DXF, and then you can also use a URL if you have something on the cloud that you want to convert. And in this case, you can see it's also reading DWG, not only DXF. So you could try also with this. And then you need to choose the conversion format. So you can choose JPEG for an image. This one here, it's PDF. So you can see the result. Well, it's not a layout as you usually do in AutoCAD. You cannot create a nice layout with views and the scale, but it's something that you can print pretty quick digitally, or also using a printer to show perhaps to your client or your examiner, professor, whatever, or your friend. If it is, for example, your home, you can quickly convert it and send it. Okay, so if we want to convert it in vector graphics, so DXF, DVG, the SVG, they are all vector graphics. So we're not just switching. But this one here, it's used in open source and other software like this. So I'm gonna convert it. Let's start. It's gonna elaborate a little bit. And if the file is good, it's gonna show up here as a preview. Now you can see that it looks better when I print it than here. It's a little bit too bright, but this is caused by the layers in AutoCAD. So it depends how you work and how you manage layers in AutoCAD. This will turn out differently, but this is gonna be fine. You can see here the final result is good. So I'm just gonna click here on export SVG, and you can see here I've created a folder for SVGs and I've saved this with this name. So just gonna type here SVG from the DXF exporter, or sorry, converter. And that's it. I'm gonna save it and the job is done. So you can see down here, you can open it up with an application. And if you do it, if you want to also PDF, you can go back by clicking here, change the format and start all over again. And let's see if it's gonna give us a preview. Well, right now it's not giving us a preview. You can see here missing image, but don't worry, again, it's gonna show up like this, hopefully, for you. So again, gonna export, and you can see this is the exporter that I already did. So then I double click down here, and it's gonna open it up directly in another window of the browser. So you can see here the results. So again, it's a pretty easy, fast, and free application that you can use. And again, if you want, you can donate them. Also, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter, and you can also write, again, questions, suggestions if you have suggestions for similar topic, and also you can ask for assistance. We could try to help you, and that's it. Just check out also the AutoCAD video course and also Revit video course, which are the two most popular software out there for architecture. And this will be it for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.